Do you have Wi-Fi dead zones? Maybe your bedroom gets terrible signal. Upstairs videos keep buffering. Or perhaps you have an old router sitting in a drawer collecting dust. Here's something most people don't realize. That old router can actually expand your home network and give you stronger Wi-Fi coverage without paying for expensive mesh systems. And the best part? Almost any two routers can work together. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect two home routers correctly, avoid common mistakes, and make all your devices work together seamlessly. By the end, you'll have one large network covering more areas of your home, and everything will work just like a single router. Let's get started. Before touching any settings, let's make sure you have everything needed. You'll need your main router that already provides internet, a second router. It doesn't matter if it's old. Almost any brand works. An Ethernet cable. Cat 5e is fine, but Cat 6 or Cat 6a is even better for gigabit speeds. And that's it. One router will become the primary router. The other becomes the secondary router. Think of it like this. The primary router acts as the manager. The secondary router simply helps distribute Wi-Fi to more areas of the house. But before connecting them together, there's one important thing we need to do. Otherwise, you'll run into strange problems like no internet, random disconnections, devices unable to see each other. So let's prepare the second router properly. If your second router has been used before, previous settings may interfere with the new setup. So it's best to start fresh. Locate the reset button. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights begin blinking. Wait for the router to reboot. Now it has returned to factory settings. This gives us a clean slate and prevents hidden configuration issues later. Next, we need to find the network information of the main router. And this step only takes a few seconds. Find your main router's IP address. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. Look for Default Gateway. You'll usually see something like 192.168.1.1 or perhaps 192.168.0.1. This number is extremely important because both routers must be on the same network, but they cannot have identical addresses. Two routers sharing the same IP address is like giving two houses the same street number. Things quickly become confusing. So now let's log into the second router and fix that. Change the second router's IP address. Connect your computer directly to the second router. Open a browser and enter its default address. Log in using the default username and password printed on the router label. Now go to LAN settings. You'll see the router's current IP address. If your main router uses 192.168.1.1, then change the secondary router to something like 192.168.1.2 or 192.168.1.254. Just make sure it doesn't match the main router. Save the settings. After rebooting, use the new address to log back in. We're almost done. But there's one setting that causes most people headaches. And if you skip it, your network may behave unpredictably. Disable DHCP. DHCP automatically gives IP addresses to devices. Your main router already handles this job. If both routers try doing it at the same time, chaos begins. Devices may lose internet. Phones may connect but not load websites. Printers may disappear. That's why we want only one boss. Find DHCP settings inside the secondary router. Turn DHCP off. Save the settings. Now your primary router remains in complete control. And your second router simply expands the network. Now it's time for the actual connection. This is where many people go wrong. They connect the cable into the internet or WAN port on the second router. Don't do that. Instead, connect LAN port on router 1 to LAN port on router 2. LAN-to-LAN. This creates one unified network. Every device can communicate with each other. Printers work. Smart TVs work. Network storage works. Everything behaves as if there's only one router in the house. And now comes the exciting part. Let's see if everything actually works. Connect your phone or laptop to the second router. Open YouTube. Browse websites. Run a speed test. Try streaming a video. If everything loads normally, congratulations. You've successfully expanded your home network. Devices connected to either router should have internet access and communicate with each other seamlessly. And you'll enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Want even better results? Don't place the second router in the room with poor signal. Instead, place it halfway between your main router and the weak area. This allows the Ethernet cable to deliver full speed while the second router creates strong Wi-Fi coverage where you need it most. Also avoid placing routers inside cabinets, keeping them near microwaves, putting them behind TVs or metal objects. Small changes in placement can make a huge difference. And that's how you connect two home routers together to create one larger and more reliable network. No expensive mesh systems, no monthly fees, and no need to throw away your old router. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Wi-Fi, routers, and home networking, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.